Hi there, good afternoon. My name is Desmond Decency, the creator, will I say creator, the person who built the Jforce calculator that some of us in South, some of us Jforce agents in South are using at the moment. I find out that some of us are finding it difficult to actually use this calculator. So I have decided to make a video that will actually help us on how to use this calculator. It is the normal belt laid out criteria that the Jumia are using to calculate the commission and the total sales. Those are the criteria that I've already converted into codes that I've told the computer, instructed the computer on what to do. So it is actually a simple thing. So this calculator is built to recognize the Jumia 7 days return policy. So for the interest of the new people that joined Jforce, I understand that I have some captains that might have interest in seeing this video, but I think I need to focus on the new people that joined Jforce that are finding it difficult to use this calculator, or that are finding it difficult to understand how Jumia calculates their commission. So I am going to start from trying to tell us how Jumia calculates monthly commission. You should understand that Jumia month recognizes the 7 days return policy. What do I mean by that? It means that in a month where we have 31 days, take for instance January, there is 31 days for January. This implies that orders that are delivered between December 25th until January 24th are the orders that are counted for January. The reason why it is starting from December 25th is because the items that are delivered on December 24th will be counted for December, because December 24th plus 7 days will give you December 31st, which is still in December. But any order from December 5th, if you add the 7 days return policy, it is already in January 1st. So Jumia will not pay commission for that in December. So any item that you delivered between December 25th upfront to January 24th will be carried from December 25th to be carried over to your January commission. This is to give room for the 7 days return policy. And I don't know if I've been able to explain this thing, but if you see this video and there is some questions you need to ask for, that I am available to assist. So the other criteria that I've actually considered in this application is this. Take for instance, when you sell a fashion item like a cloth, you sold like 3 clothes, different prices, maybe this one 1,500, the other one 1,300, and the other one 1,008. You do not go and begin to do maybe 1,500 plus 1,300 plus 1,008 and you put it as a amount. Jumia is not going to pay like that. Jumia is going to pay based on the amount of the item. Like if you ordered a fashion item that is 1,500, you put it 1,500 and put the quantity as 1. But assuming it is 2 1,500 naira items that you ordered, you should put in the quantity 2 and then put in the amount 1,500, so that the total amount will now be updated to 3,000. The essence is this: Jumia will not pay 3,000 naira commission for the 2 items. Jumia will only pay 2 times 1,500 the commission due for the 1,500 fashion item. Let me tell, for instance, if the 1,500 fashion item, the commission is supposed to be like, let me say 150. Jumia will pay 150 times 2, which is 300, because you sold 2 of the fashion items that are worth 1,500. Jumia is not going to pay the commission due for selling 3,000 naira fashion item. I don't know whether I am making some sense. I might not have the right word to actually explain these things, but for the benefit of the people that just joined, if you do not understand some of these terms that I'm using, you can as well chat me up on WhatsApp so that I can actually explain further. So now I am going to do a second video for how to use this calculator. So before I go on, I'm going to actually talk about what some of these columns mean, or maybe let's see in the next video, because I'm going to be showing my system and then these columns, the names and what they mean, so that you understand. So stay tuned for the next video. Remember, my name is Desmond Decency. I am here to help you to achieve success. I'm here to help you to sell more. I'm here to help you to make some money. Let's make this world a better place. That is the drive. I do not have interest in your money. I just have interest in touching lives. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.